Assalamu alaikum everyone, this is Mr. Mudathir from Legacy School and this is ICT Year 4. In today's lesson, we will create a math quiz that is found on page number 24 on the book, ICT book. Previously we learned about what is the input and what is the output. In today's exercise on Scratch, we will create a program that will ask what is 4 plus 3. So the program is going to ask a simple math question. It will let the user, that means you, input your answer, that means answer, and then output a message saying whether you are right or wrong. To do that, we're going to have to use something called if statement. If statement. So the if statement is a way to choose between two outputs. It has a test and two different outputs. The computer uses the test to choose which output to show. So let's get started. The program that we're going to do right now is found on the book, page number 25. So let's open Scratch first. So here we have Scratch. So as you guys know that every single program in Scratch starts with an event. This time I'm going to choose when this sprite is clicked. So I'm going to drag this block of script into my scripting area. Then I want to ask the user, or I want the computer to ask the user a question. So where do you think ask the user a question is going to be? I mean, in which group do you think it is? Ask the user a question is found in sensing. So let's open the sensing group, and there it is. It says ask what's your name and wait, but I don't want to ask what's your name. So I'm going to delete this and type the question. Click and delete or backspace and type what is 4 plus 3, for example. Now we're going to grab the if statement that we were talking about earlier. Where do you think the if block is located? It is located in the control group. You notice that we have two kinds of if over here. If, and then we have one condition, and then if, and then we have two conditions. So this is if then, and this is if then else. We're going to use if then else here. So grab this one and put it right there. Now I'm going to put the condition in between if and then. If what then, okay? Now you want to get an operator here to check whether the answer is correct or not. So here is the group of operator, and you want to grab this one. Something equals something. Something equals something. Now let's grab this and put it here. So if what equals what, then if the answer, so do you remember the answer? It's in sensing, right? So let's click on sensing, grab the answer. If the answer equals what? 4 plus 3 equals 7. Oh, I made a big mistake. If the answer equals 7, then from the looks, go and grab, say hello for 2 seconds, but this time I don't want the computer to say hello, because that is the correct answer, right? If the answer equals 7, then type you are correct for 2 seconds. Else, that means if the answer is not correct. Again, grab this one, say hello for 2 seconds, and say type try again for 2 seconds. So basically now we created a math quiz. Our program is ready, guys. Let's take this program step by step. When this sprite is clicked, ask what is 4 plus 3 and wait. Okay, so this is an input thing. So let's run the program. Nothing happens. Why? Because the first block says when this sprite is clicked. When the sprite is clicked. So I'm going to click on the sprite. Oh, now it has asked me what is 4 plus 3. So I'm going to type 7 and click on the tick. And it says you are correct for 2 seconds. So all of this has been executed except this part. This part will only be executed when the answer is incorrect. So let's try and input an answer that's not correct. Click on the script. What is 4 plus 3? Let's type 8 here, which is an incorrect answer, and click on tick and see what's going to happen. And it says try again. So that is exactly what I wrote right here, right? So this program is very simple, but it teaches us something that all programmers in the world use, which is the if statement. If statement. If statement works with conditions. If this condition is true, it's going to execute this one. If this condition is not true, it's going to execute the else part. So if the answer equals yes, then say you're correct for 2 seconds. If the answer is not equal to 7, then say try again for 2 seconds. Very easy, right? Alright, this is it, guys. If you have a computer at home or you have a laptop, try this at home with your own math problem. Till the next lesson, I hope you guys understood everything. If you didn't understand anything, please do respond to me on Seesaw. Also, if you understood everything, please type seen or done on the add section below. Till the next lesson, take good care, guys. Bye.